Introducing the GPS family of guide pin tools from Park Tool. The GPS-12, 15, 24, 29, and 30 add stability and security to the installation and removal of bottom brackets and disc brake lock rings. The GPS guide pins simply thread into any of the 13 Park Tool bottom bracket tools with integrated threads. Once installed, the extra long pins of the GPS family engage into the bottom bracket or hub, preventing misalignment and ensuring a secure fit to the bottom bracket or lock ring you're removing. Sold individually or packed as the GPS-1 set, the GPS family of guide pin tools from Park Tool.